Spring is the perfect season for home improvement projects, from new flower beds to a fresh coat of paint, or maybe you're looking for something bigger like a kitchen or bathroom renovation or remodel. These improvements are within your reach, and here now to tell us more is Laura Griffin from BayPort Credit Union. Laura, welcome to Hampton Roads Show.
Thank you.
Okay, let's just say I want to update my master bathroom, which is on the list of things to do. What's the best way about going about that?
There are lots of different options that you have. One of the biggest options for a lot of people who own a home is borrowing against the equity that they have. And equity being the amount that your home is worth opposed to the amount that you actually owe.
Now, does anyone who owns a home automatically have equity? How does that work?
Not necessarily,
Right.
these days with this market, but it is definitely an option for a lot of folks.
And there's so many more ways of acquiring the money that you need for, say, that improvement. What are some other options of getting money?
Like if they don't have equity,
Right.
Maybe a small personal loan, something that's just kind of take that one little thing off the list that they can work on. We have something at BayPort called a flex line,
Right.
which is an open-ended line of credit that they just borrow from as they need it.
Now, for anyone who does want to take advantage of the equity in their home, how can they take advantage of that?
Talk to their financial institution,
Right.
kind of talk with a mortgage lender that would be able to help them make the determination as to whether or not a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit is right for them.
No equity or upside down and trying to get the right side up. There's different ways of going about that.
Right, absolutely. And making those improvements to your home is going to improve the value and hopefully create the equity that maybe isn't there for you right now. Maybe you can create that equity and in a few years, sell your home, maybe use the equity for something bigger.
And there's so many different reasons people might need money. Some people are getting ready to send their kids to college. Some people are paying off the college loans. You can also go about that by taking out the equity in your house.
The equity in your home, a home is a fantastic investment.
Right.
Using that equity and borrowing against that for a lot of different reasons is a great opportunity for a lot of folks.
Okay, so let's just say I'm going about that. How important is the credit score for somebody? I mean, it's always checked, isn't it?
A credit score is always checked, but and I know what we try to do is look at the overall picture for our members and really look at a history there. We take credit score into account, but there are a lot of different things that we look at.
Okay, don't forget about those flex loans and all flex lines from BayPort. Also, anything else you might need. For more information, stop by any of the BayPort Credit Union locations across Hampton Roads or log on to bayportcu.org. Laura, thank you so much for this information.
Thank you.